can I start an SMMA without any prior results or experience? And so I'm going to get in today's video how you can start an SMMA without any experience, without any results or testimonials, and how that's actually a valid way to start. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more visible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So when you're trying to start an SMMA, I've had a couple people comment on my videos saying, hey man, I don't have any results. How do I get started? I don't have any social proof to show any prospects. How do I get started? Here's the first thing that you can do when you're first starting out so that you can kind of bypass that entire objection. Go partner with a white label company. Okay, there's companies like Agency Elevation, Agency Box, other companies like that you can literally partner with, right? And sorry, my hairs are messed up, but that you can literally partner with, and they will give you swipe files of social proof that you can use on sales calls, on your pitch deck if you're taking Zoom calls, and you can be able to talk with a confident tonality on sales calls or in person, showing that kind of social proof. Because if you partner with a white label company, yes, you'll pay a small entry fee to become like an agency partner, but they're going to give you all the social proof, all these video testimonials, all these marketing materials that you can use to market your agency. And if you look at the landing page that I currently run for my agency, you can kind of copy the same thing. Wink, wink. You can copy the same thing, use that social proof, and be able to convert people through paid traffic as well. And you have case studies and social proof that you can now use through your cold outreach, through your looms, through all these different methods. So it's not about having any experience or having any social proof. If you're starting from zero, everybody starts from zero. I started from zero, but I partnered with a white label company. I was using Agency Box for a little bit, and then I moved to Agency Elevation. I've also used other ones in the past who will give you marketing materials and swipe files. Once you start acquiring clients, then your next position is, hey, listen, we've been working with you for X amount of time. That's where you start grabbing client testimonials from your current clients who love you and appreciate you, right? And that's where you can start building your own base, and then eventually you can have a higher margin by dropping the white label, taking over the fulfillment yourself, and then using your own testimonials and your own marketing so you're not using other people's, and now you can make more money, have better margins, and not spend so much money on fulfillment and a white label partner. So I hope that answers your question. If you are starting an SMMA, I actually have a program coming out that I am taking founders pricing on right now. No, it's not a sales pitch. I just figured I'd make a quick course. It's like a really good masterclass. I'm putting a lot of time and effort into it because I want to really form it into like a bigger community. And there's going to be a bunch of videos on there. Like I'm going very hard on this. I've gotten people commenting, do you do mentorships? Do you do coaching? Well, I'm putting it into this course for less than $100. And you can literally get every video A to Z on things that I don't put on YouTube, where you can literally just start your SMMA and start getting results and really start seeing all the nitty and gritty little detail things that I do on a daily basis and my team are doing. So I appreciate you guys. You guys can check that on the link in the description, and I will see you guys on the inside, hopefully. And then on top of that, like, comment, subscribe to today's video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30